Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and today I'm going to be talking about the pronunciation of the star Waipunarangi and also the meaning. So we've got wai, we're getting a bit used to that now, aren't we? Wai, ai, just gliding it together, wai, and remembering the pronunciation of the vowels, a, e, I, o, u. We've got puna, 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 and rangi. So it's a short u sound so it's not really puna because there's no macron. So it's puna, puna, wai, puna, and ra, rolling your r a little bit, ra, 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 and ngi. So this won't be rangi or rangi, it's this a soft ng. Wai, puna, rangi, wai, puna, rangi. Now, to get the meaning, we're going to separate it into three words. Wai, about water. Puna is to do with pooling or a pool. Wai, puna, rangi. And you probably know that rangi is referring to the sky. So, this is about pools of water in the sky. It's about rain. So, Waipunarangi is a star in the Matariki cluster that is all about rain. So, there you go. That's something that we all just learned today, wasn't it? Ka kite.